Guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way how you could download and install VirtualBox. To do that, if you have Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, 11, or even 12, then this video is for you. First of all, let's click on our browser. It might be any, Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Type VirtualBox and hit, or VirtualBox download, or just VirtualBox and hit enter. On the first website, www.virtualbox.org, that's our website, you see as a second option, downloads. Click on it to download. Next step, here we will have all the details about VirtualBox. Under VirtualBox 7.0.6 platform packages, you will have different kind of packages for Windows computer, macOS computer, developer preview, Linux distributions, Solaris, etc. So I will choose for Windows. You can choose the one which suits you, but I will take the one for Windows. Once you click on it, the download should start automatically, and I will be able to install it soon. So I will pause the video here until the download is over, and I will show you which button to click next. So now the download is completed. Let's click on the executable file to run, and let's reduce this. We should see the installation commands appearing. Windows will ask you if you really want to allow this application to make changes to your device, just click yes. Let's close this. So now it's coming, preparing to install. That's what we want to see. And then next. Here I will click next. I will leave everything by default. You can change the location where you want to save or where you want the installation to be done. I will leave it for my personal point. I will leave it in the C drive. And I will click OK, and I will click next. Here it says installing the Oracle VirtualBox network features will reset your network connections and temporarily disconnect you from the network. That's fine for me. If you are doing something over the network, you want to stop it first before proceeding. For now, I will click yes. I will click again yes. Missing dependencies Python Core Win32 API. I will just click yes and it should come. Install. And then the installation will be done automatically. And it should not take more than 1 to 3 minutes as maximum. I will pause the video here, and once done, I will show you what is the next step. So as you can see, I have here installation done. Click finish. And normally you should see an icon, Oracle VM VirtualBox on your desktop, and the application should actually be launched automatically. So you might need to wait for a few more seconds until it's launching. As you can see, it automatically launched. So here I will go to help and I will check about VirtualBox and VirtualBox graphical user, blah, blah, blah. Everything should be fine now. And here we have our VirtualBox installed and ready to be used. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.